Today, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make good money even if you are broke. Yes, you heard that. Where as little as $50, you can change your life and start making some money. Good money today. All you have to do is listen to me. I'm going to give you strategy on how to do this. So today, we're going to be using 2 indicators and I'm going to show you how to make money with my live commentary, of course. All you have to do is watch this video till the end and you will be learning. So let's dive in, guys, and let's see what we have today. All right, so let's get started with the setup. I'm adding 2 indicators here, momentum and parabolic SAR. We'll begin with the last one. It requires some minor adjustments. We change the acceleration to 0.03. That's 300ths, and make sure to replicate this step exactly as I did, guys. So for momentum, we'll also adjust this period to 12. These are the optimal parameters for this strategy. So now that everything is set up, let's break down the strategy first. We identify breakouts of SAR dots. In most cases, the price moves in the direction of the most recent crossover. The dots will shift again until they are crossed there. So here's another signal. This time the opposite direction. So a parabolic crossover is the primary basis for a trade. For this, but we need confirmation. That's exactly why we use momentum. That's why you have momentum for this trade. So when it's red, the price is in a decline phase. You can see it clearly now. But when the bar turns green, that's a bullish signal, indicating the market is entering an uptrend phase. All we need to do is combine signals from parabolic and momentum to pinpoint the perfect entry points into the market. The SAR has crossed upwards and the bars are green, so expect an upside move. In the opposite scenario, we anticipate and expect a downwards trend. So this becomes clearer in practice. So now I'll switch assets to demonstrate real examples. So okay, our first opportunity is entering long. Let's see what the strategy reveals here. So the momentum is green and the SAR was crossed upwards some time ago. There's a trend line breakout indicating that the price is making a new directional push. So at this point, we should only expect the assets to move upwards. We should only expect these assets to move upwards, guys. So a critical nuance of trading this strategy, like of course any other, is strict adherence to its rules, guys. It's perfect for beginners. There's condition A and there's condition B. Very simple, very straightforward, but you have to follow these rules to the T. Both of them must align, guys, both of them. If every single detail doesn't match, you skip the trade. Don't try to force entries where they don't exist. Trade only by the rules. Only by the rules. Don't try to be smart about it and switch some things. It will not work. And of course, you'll see results if you follow the rules. Beginners often rush and open positions prematurely. That's exactly why they keep losing their money. So meanwhile, I'm locking my first profit of the day. We're off to a good start and we're now in a particularly interesting situation. So here I'm reasonably expecting further upside. So I'll remain on this chart for now. We are waiting for a few more seconds before entering again. Yes, the market is perfect. So executing on our long trade, the indicator setups remain unchanged, of course. So we're entering using the same logic. So guys, now we've only broken through this level with 1. So maybe even 2 more ahead. At this stage, we're not just analyzing entries, but planning our next moves, accessing where the price could potentially reach. So this is a crucial skill for any trader. You should always understand what to expect from the market and have clear profit objectives when opening positions. This becomes especially important when you're opening multiple consecutive trades. So here, it's vital to read the market accurately. You always have to read it accurately, guys. I believe this example will allow me to show you how to demonstrate this, and I will show it to you guys. So well, for now we're growing steadily and nothing indicates the likelihood of a loss. Okay, so you see, let's wait a few more seconds so that we can guarantee what we have, and so let's get our profits. So woof. All right, I've done it again. These are what you called right place, right time trades. We entered precisely when our strategy flashed a high probability signal, and now we are simply maximizing our profit potential, guys. As you can see, I'm fully reinvesting my trading capital fully. This compounding approach delivers significant results. It delivers them very quickly too. However, I will tell you again, if you are new to trading, don't do this. Don't take the kind of risk I'll take. I recommend only risking 2 or 3% of your capital on a trade. Be careful because you are new and you are learning. So okay, let's continue trading. I must remind you that we are going up to this level. As long as the asset hasn't reached it, we can expect further growth. So always watch the key chart levels. Traders, prices are inevitably drawn to them like ships to a lighthouse or a metal to magnet. And we're heading straight towards it now. Wow, look at this move. Exactly as predicted. The GBP USD pair has surged and it is practically kissing our target level. I expect to see the full touch within seconds. There, level achieved. Although we haven't closed the position yet, I already consider this trade objective completed. On GBP USD, our next trade will be on a different chart. Okay, we're seeing a reversal here. This likely won't cause problems for our trade, but will serve as a great example to you. So first, let's wait for the expiration to be complete. All right, then we'll discuss what's happening. Okay, the trade has been successfully closed, guys. In the next trade, we'll be entering with $263 US, and we're leaving this chart. The reason is we've squeezed all the potential from it and reached the very top. Now we can only expect it to pull back downwards. Okay, and there it is. Look, the price touched the top. Sellers aggressively entered the market and started reversing the chart. We're not going any further. Okay guys, I'm switching assets and we continue. Okay, here we're entering long again, catching another perfect moment here for the move to start. Let's analyze this. The momentum is green while the chart shows consolidation. The price quote has been gathering strength and it's about to surge. I can feel it. Okay, here we see rejection of the lower prices, meaning an upside is coming, and the SAR continues. Now all we have to do is wait. As you've noticed, I don't just analyze key price movements, I assess the overall market action. This method is called price action, guys. It's called what? Price action. And I frequently share insights of this price action on my Telegram channel. All you have to do is click the link in the description below and you get on my Telegram channel. So yeah, speaking on my Telegram channel, you can find my personal trading insights. You can find a lot that will help you win when it comes to trading. So you see like very useful information. All you have to do is click that link in the description and I'll be there for you. Meanwhile, here I've closed another profitable trade, guys. I believe we'll continue earning here. The risk has already grown nearly tenfold its initial levels. The most interesting part is just beginning. In 20 seconds, I'll re-enter this market. I always take brief pauses between trades to observe behavior. If I'm going to risk my capital, I want absolute confidence in my risk analysis, guys. Okay, so we're continuing here. The chart shows no reversal signals and our indicators remain unchanged. So we calmly await the next upward move. So while we wait, let me explain why trading systematically matters. You have to trade. You have to follow a process when it comes to trading. The real advantage isn't like what you'd expect. It's discipline. You always have to be disciplined when it comes to your trading. If it's this, never do this. Always do it the way you're meant to do it. Okay, so I'll take this trade for instance. Even this asset wasn't showing obvious bullish signs or signals, but for me it will be sufficient that the SAR has crossed. It has crossed upwards and the momentum is green. I know the setup works over 90% of cases, therefore it will work now. Okay, so here's a chance. There's a chance of loss, of course, but our profits 9 times out of, so if I trade 10 times, I'm going to make money 9 times and lose just once. That's a good deal to me. So you see, this creates confidence and lets me take every valid trade without too much risk, and I don't miss a lot of opportunities. So boom, I'm in profit again. I think it's time to show you guys at least one short trade, and let's try and find one. Okay, so perfect. Here's our opportunity. I'm opening a short position here. The current setup, the momentum is red. SAR is in the downward trend phase. Market is trapped in a tight wedge. Breakout is imminent. I'm confident that we're on the verge of another reversal, guys. Let's wait for it to close, and we'll close our final trade of the day. So the market is about to nosedive. It's dipping. All signs point towards a downward trend. So just watch. There it goes. And you see, what did I tell you guys? Experience is a proven trading system. Do you know how I know this? Because of experience that I have. Okay, so the basic price action analysis always works wonders. Folks, I see absolutely no reason to doubt this position will close profitably. We started with a strong advantage, so now we're not even concerned about new candles forming. Just under 10 seconds now, and we'll wrap up today's trading session. Yep, and there we have it. Our net profits for today is what, guys? Let me look on my screen. $1,300. Yes, $1,300, guys. Oof, not bad, right? Now let's summarize today's video. So guys, as you've seen today, $50 is more than enough to make good profit in trading. You've seen it. I've proven to you that it can be done, and it has been done. All you have to do to get knowledge like this is subscribe to my Telegram channel. The link is in the description below. Subscribe and you get direct access to me. Leave a comment, like, text, do all that, and I'll be waiting for you in the next video, guys. Let's get it together.